Hey, welcome back to Collector's Conquest. We're back with some more Kinder Funkos, and this time they're DC Comics. I'm super excited. We got Batman on the front of this, Joker, Superman, Wonder Woman. I don't even know what our options are, but I'm excited to open these up. We also got some mail from Mama J, including a box. So we're going to do that at the end. But let's get to ripping into some of these Kinder Joy eggs here. Let's start with Batman. I got 6 of these. I haven't really heard too many people talking about these yet. They've been out in the stores a little bit, maybe a week or two. So I'm going to leave the candy there. My kids love the Kinder Egg candy. But let's see what we got here. Hopefully we get some more figures like the Harry Potter. Definitely got some awesome Harry Potter ones when I did those openings. So let's see what we can get here. 3, 2, boom! Oh, we do got... Oh, sweet. We got a Funko Batman. And that's the 89 Batman there. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Let me see what the booklet shows in here. Let's see what our options can be. So it comes with a little hanger on it if you want to hang it. But here's some of the figures. You got Joker, Wonder Woman, Batman, Superman, Harley Quinn, and Batgirl. So super cool. I'm hoping to get a Joker now and then a Superman. But we got 6 of them, so hopefully we get all of them. Alright, let's try our next one here. This is a Joker on the front. I don't think the character on the front really means anything, but just kind of showing you guys what it looks like. Alright, here's our next one. 3, 2, boom! Okay, we got some... Oh, it is a figure. It just has a backdrop. What the heck? Oh, we got a Green Lantern. That is awesome. Look at that. Green Lantern. I believe... Oh, hold on. Alright, we got a Green Lantern here. And these also have a game, like an app that you can use. So this guy actually can hold up your phone or something with this little clip here. But I think we'll just take that off for now, because it's just Green Lantern. Pretty awesome. So that's not even one that was shown in the thing. Alright, let's check out the next one. This is the Wonder Woman egg. Alright. Let's just not get duplicates. 3, 2, boom! Oh, heck yeah, we got Batgirl. No duplicates so far. Got an awesome Batgirl right there. Let's see what this next one is. And this one is Superman on the front. Three, 2, boom! Oh, I think we got Supergirl. So there's more than what was in that picture. That's awesome. I wonder how many there are. So we got another one that you can attach a piece to and use the phone app but we got Supergirl here. Pretty cool. No duplicates so far, and we got 2 more to go. So let's check out what we got on these last 2. I definitely need to get some more of these. They're awesome. Got another Superman here. All right, let's see what we got. 3, 2, boom. We got hair. Joker! Heck yeah! I got the ones I wanted. Well, I need Superman, but getting Batman and Joker is a definite win in my book. Super cool. All right, we got our last one with the Joker on it. Let's get us a Superman. I can't believe we don't have a duplicate yet. 3, 2, boom. Oh, we got a duplicate. We got us another Batman, but who can complain about a duplicate Batman? I don't think anyone's complaining about a duplicate Batman. So we got Batman, Green Lantern, we got Batgirl, Supergirl, we got Joker. So these are awesome. As you can tell, they're in like the Funko Pop shape. They're kind of like those old pint size or whatever they were called back in the day. But let's get to the Mama J mail. Got a couple of letters, and then we got a box. I believe one of the other boxes, I need to get that out of storage and open it, but forgive me, Mama J, that box may be delayed because I need to get it, but we're going to open this one I got now. So here's the first piece of mail that I got. And then we'll get to the one I just recently got. So this must have been last month's letter. It's a lot of tape on this one. All right, what do we got? Let's check out the New York dolls. Pretty cool. I think there's a cool documentary on the New York dolls. Collector's Conquest. Hope all is going good. No Patreon giveaway for September. Everyone gets a trick-or-treat box in October. Heck yeah. All right, but we got some awesome stickers. Little UFO there. And check this out. Mama J rocks. Heck yeah. That's what the channel member song says. Mama J rocks. We got a Ghost Stories. We got a couple of these trivia cards. We got this skull here. And then we got a old Funko Batman sticker. Hey, that matches our Batman here. Pretty cool. And then, whoa, we got this like photograph print. And it's of Godzilla, Gojira. Wow, and it's signed. Ashley Russell, 2023, number 2 of 15. Wow, that is cool. And it's on photograph paper. We got number 2 of 5. Whoa. Ashley Russell 2023, and it matches our Batman. How did I just know? My intuition was, let's do some Kinder eggs when Mama J's gonna send a whole bunch of Batman stuff. I don't know how that worked out, but it sure did work out. All right, let's check out this next card. I believe it's going to be our scratcher, so hopefully we win something from the scratcher. We got Jason. Look at this stamp. When I got this, I was like, what in the world? It's a circle stamp that says sweet. I didn't know they made circle stamps. I didn't know that was an official shape of a stamp. But that's pretty sweet. Whoa, happy Halloween. SOS. Uh-oh, is Mama J in trouble? There's blood all over her card. All right, got some cool stickers and a scratcher. The Addams Family. We got 13 Jason. And then we got Mama J with Alice Cooper and Ozzy. That is cool. All right, our scratcher right here. Let's see if we won. Gotta get me some scissors or something to scratch this. It says, sorry, you're the winner, right? No. Man, bummer. But it's okay because I did win something from her. And it's right here, and it's awesome. Can't wait to open this. Pretty sure I know which one this is, because I did have 2 giveaway wins from her. And it's funny because I was saying, like, I never win anything. And then I won something by default because someone had already won something. And then I think I won on her big giveaway, if I'm correct. But let's see what we got here. Okay, this is the first thing I won. So we got the Star Child blown ups. And on my members only haul video, I showed that I just got the Gene Simmons the Demon one of these. So I was like, heck yeah, I need this one. So she sent me that one out because I won another kind of blown ups. And then we got a card in here. It says, congrats on winning a blown up collector figure. I love these. Wish they did more of them. Thanks for supporting my 3K giveaway. Love, Mama J. So yeah, I won on her 3K giveaway. That's awesome that everyone's hitting these awesome milestones. 3K is huge. But man, this was a cool unboxing. Got all these awesome little Funko Kinder Joy figures. I mean, can't go wrong with some more Kiss stuff. And then all kinds of cool little cards. And let's show that Godzilla again. Da-na-na-na. Look, Godzilla is in a starry, starry night on my shirt. Destroying the night. But thanks for checking out Collector's Conquest. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. Also, check out the channel membership. I put out an awesome exclusive video once a week. Also, send out a swag item once a month, whether it be a postcard or a sticker. You get early access to most of my videos, and you get your name after the video on one of these awesome cool songs just like this.
Join Collectors Conquest and a membership. So many exclusives, get no one on this. Check out two boys and their staring pops. On Saturday scares you like places and tops. Ghost face slashes through all the toys. By the time you're not watching, you might see my noise. Check out Monty, she's got so much stuff to say. Unboxing crazy things, rock and roll is not your brain. Check out frogpopfanatic, every new ninja toe. Electric static, pumping my skull and kill a clown. And never robots, he's always hunt down. Check out KeeTons Of Fun. When it comes to Funko sodas and number one, be a chase, say 3 times. When you hear the intro, you know it's showtime. Check out Mary Poppins Pops, the stray dog shows, all the Funko drops. Mystery boxes don't stand a chance. Woof woof is what stray dog chance. Dino Sarah, she's a beast in the pack. She rolls with the lines, never looking back. Dark attack grip, T-Rex attack, taking no prisoners. That's a fact. Check out me man, YouTube channel. When superhero toy always win the battle. The DVDs and video games are so cool. If you're into awesome stuff, this guy rules. Collectors Conquest channel membership, so many exclusives.
Hey, it's Collectors Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers, we got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collectors Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.